Pure peace, fresh air, and a beautiful Akuapem views. Now picture your weekends looking like this.
We are ready for our morning walk this morning. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Alright, so today we are visiting Adoko Farms Resort at Okropong, Akuapem, and roughly it will take you 1 hour, 30 minutes from Accra to that place. So without wasting much time, let's hit the road. Welcome to Adoko Farms Eco Resort. Abusafo. And then I need you to baby Johanum say, what nan can I check? Shall you what nan can say? What's next? Must did no doors woman soon. So what I think you hire Akuapem. Fancy over 110 about them. Best spend the night no. Charlie I need you to see and then Ochana ever was there no. See and then the baby that 10 team. So what I say. Nti omo Okropong Akuapem. We warm up video am the bremo. But chaka krebi Charlie. Here be full of nature. Ochina, boss, you say Ochina go hiking. Oh, okay, Charlie. I did see go hiking. Charlie, view near crazy. Me say we a warm up video am the bremo. Aha. Yanko, open you mo jatawa. Mo jatawa hanu anu di minni wa.
Ye ni bi wa hanu.
Hiking na ya ko won fa.
Road ne da hanu say. Yeah.
Me share mu video bi ase o jina hu akugu akuro ni na.
Sure. I swear.
We kwa phone make say AI, kwa phone AI. Share ma so me AI so what ya say. Boss ka bi fa. Adoko.
O de ma me bia tent na.
O de bia. Yeah. Okay, emuso. Okay. Abusa afonti ha ya Adoko Farms Eco Resort.
Okay, so you don't want to lead the fire.
I should come with you. I want to. I'm a child of God. I'm not coming with you. Did you get my number? Say you wanted my number. No, to the white men. Not all the white men are not white. I'm also not rich. Okay.
And remember, there is also a movie night at Adoko Farms Resort.
Into the light.
See through. That's honest.
Yes. I'm not really sure I can trust anybody in this world. But somehow I trust you.
Hello. Good morning. If we take the lead, you're going to get lost though. We are ready for our morning walk this morning. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Thank you.
You wake up on a beautiful farm this morning. Yeah. We are going to be taking our morning hike. We are going to move from here to Asesieso. It's 1 hour in, 1 hour out, about 10-kilometer walk.
Wow.
But on your way, we have resting point. When you are tired, you stop and you rest. And when we are returning, we pick you and we bring you back to the farm. Yeah. So when you come, you tell me your experience. I believe some people thought it was raining whilst we were sleeping. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Charlie, kwa ufuno mo You see the view. ye be akuapi mu ha ya asese so ha ya okugu ambo anasa anse ye ugina okugu na hu asese so adukom na what top no so what you see this man guy he dey fly chale what be your page
GH Content Hub.
GH Content Hub. If you go search, they go the whole world. Charlie, as you go, then talk them the view, like the experience. Talk them what you see for Korean, what you see for Korean. Talk them.
Okay, so the thing we say for Adoko, like a Kriapim, this thing you go see like the mountain formations very well.
The
like
valley, then kind of
the valleys, then the views, then the way the mountains. They but if like for it just be like one mountain, like the rock formation. Then that
so
be just
they bang no kind of Charlie.
That be just.
Well, no, Monkwada, Mr. Monkwada. What view no? Charlie, cameraman, the man. Follow me, follow me. Follow me, baby. Mon, I say yes, you. I say yes, so. Adukom na what top ono. Onwo Adukom na what top ono. Aha, no what day. We kwa fu no beka say AI o. Ya 90th year okugu apase se so see ayo we abonsen bosu e dey asem ni ya du abonsen hwe view no abonsen ni kwan yi na kwa abonsen no
The view there make us the walk.
aka na edu wo yo so manya aka kra bi na du so manya bosu abretu. Good.
Oh, I'm more breakfast I ready you.
Hi, Mr. Adoko, check me out. Check me out, man. Check me out, man. It's a turn.
Alright, Buzafo, and here wa Adoko Farms Resort. So what you say? Open him say kwaku Michelle.
Je so minu ya.
Sure. Nti ye be sha ase na mo mpese wo kire say Adoko Farms na yere ade. Nti ewuram na ye nkire mo de o.
Adoko Farms eye afuo.
Okay.
Ye anigedie bebre o hanom. Ye camping, ye farm tour, ye hiking.
Okay.
And if you have call waterfall or a cinema.
Okay. Let me say farms me say you be dua banche ne ma wa hanom.
Ye dua banche wa hanom. Ye dua kube, ye dua bibia yedi.
Okay.
Wa hanom na. Kuaye no enye afuo doni ne ma dua pe.
Okay.
Nti sese ye de tourism aka kuaye no ho. Nti se wundua hwe ye po a utiminya nkrofo mo ba wafum. Aha.
Nti nkrofo sa ben na like ebetimi aba anu say.
Obi a betimi ababa obi a opese ombra nature mu.
Okay.
Obi a ope baby a ehojo obe humi na wa jineni enye dede bebre.
Okay. Nti ade oba say far from home beji weni wa.
Yes, oba na wa be humi.
No games be crowd say mu ye games.
Yeah, games.
Mama try say meet me shoot back.
Okay. Me say
sure.
Mema a run for your money. Nti I had it
when you packages no.
Oba wa beji weni kakra.
Charlie, I no go fit. Last one.
Opa na wa beje weni.
We say for we nyina ka package no nti ba ha. All right, so Mr. Gwagu.
Yeah.
Dream no shall see fa.
Oh,
The idea na unya answer na we dey share so ade ase.
ye sha se efuo.
Okay.
Na ye rinyi no na ye hwe niam ye betimi aye aka efuo no ho.
Okay.
Na abema nkofo a omo pese omo mbra efuo mu no omo mbe hwe hawa efuo mu dwumadie ti no omo so etimi aba. But ye eco sustainability.
Okay.
Nti ehun hia se ye besisi concrete bebre. Nti niam a ye wo ben ye no na ye dane no.
Okay.
Into place a obetimi aba na wabeje weni.
Okay.
Aha.
Nti then ye na all shall say I say no.
Oh, yeah, shas yeah.
Say bia wo de be we am for aba am say.
Yes, shas yeah. 2019,
2020.
Okay. Yeah, COVID time no.
So 5 to 6 years now.
Na ye wa hanuma yeah boy juma kama.
Okay.
Oh, asasene de ukugwa for asase.
Okay.
Anti aya metese nkrofo se ha ye
ukugwa.
Yeah, but ekwan ni ho no ma eba ha.
Okay.
Eni ntia na.
Kwan de crofon ntia man.
Yeah, hwe baby akwan ne da.
Okay.
And confusing crofo bebre. Yeah.
Okay. Nti o start say you know like a man for bahanum say about experience anything saying like
oh, nkofo
look
they have
and say different people from different places.
Most
so
of
me show videos both different African countries in
yeah, most of young nkofo eba hanum bebre fi Accra.
Okay.
Kumasi, Western region, Central region, and other African countries.
Okay.
And foreign countries, Germany, UK.
Wow.
US. Omoba.
See, in prep, you know, how many of them who have say so and should I am not sure that him have this. And I hear say what hand say but money.
Oh, Omo eco living.
Okay.
Sustainable lifestyle.
Okay.
No. Omo timi hwehwe
online
say o me pe baby a eye fuom a dime bebre ni concept ne ye say won see dime bebre but obetimi create bibi amankofo etimi
I say true online now omo de hu
you
okay. Okay, so fast forward man say tent bi wa nti ha na omo ba ye beda wa anu
you we ye tent na omo timi da mu no bi
okay nti we it be contain ni pa be yan.
Oh, we there, 6. Nipa 6.
Bits me ada.
Yeah, but your money pa 4 penny. Then maybe we have ebusia.
Okay.
Omo ye 4. Say ni mute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It must fine.
You must.
Okay.
And a mattress room. Toko bi hanso nda baby a.
Abo bi be shame.
Debi. Nti utumo a asa enso to a embem. Wo ho se enso ato ene.
Oh, okay.
In room.
Okay. The package net say be obi bookie and say be sa then obinya wa hanu say.
Oh, say o ba hanoma ye wo ho kwan say wo bebe noa waduane. Ana say ye nso ye de ye mfudie no ebe noa aduane ama.
Anto pa wo ba ha ba nua aduane ba hanu say.
Ana say ye de ye mfudie no be noa aduane ama. Nti it depending on ni awo pese wo be ye obetimi aba ha be do birthday obetimi aba ha no na ofo na mo abe pass time during the day. O pese ombra ha numre so aye betimi ama bonfire experience na and remain at the sound.
Okay. Send your enterprises na ija fa kon.
Different depending on ya obeye wa ha no.
Okay.
And some we group on so a ye hwa mo different say we your own kwan so a ye hwa different nti.
Obi beka say mo tent no esua nti mo hwa how many people the largest quantity am betimi contain am for am say na say wa ba no nkofo do ben na ba no ma so mo dos pa.
Oh yeah hosting crofo up to 80 your tent bebre ye fix it. We ye pay be yin nyina.
Okay. Am ba answer ma we fix.
Yeah.
Nti 80 no am kwa ebi wo ha.
Oh ebi wo ha ebi wo sro ho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nti nipa de ye betimi afa bebre but ye mfam bro 50.
Arentia.
Say ye betimi ahwe o muso yi na enye nipa bebre dodo ye ni.
Nti bia wo site bia na say bi sa o telephone number bo na obi so pese oba ha.
Me telephone number Buamina Bubomom.
Okay, but the better as it. The better as
yeah.
Do what sites be like sites be a bit me a corner and
Yeah,
social media handles.
Your site Adoko Farms EcoResort.com.
Okay.
And your all social media platforms so Adoko Farms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Farms and I say resorts ni P we are capping regions. Then Osha am out the every demo strong kwa a month for how my feel vibe na say energy. Then I shall am out the near strong.
Oh, near my dance so ne say obi obaha bia ye buseni. Yeah, and treat you will be different. And see omo baha dan nyina omo ko mo san ba biom because ye hwe omo to say ye nuanom ye papa nom omo kan ebusua no ho. Nti ye frɛ ha family farm.
Okay.
Oba ha pe wada na ebusua ni ye treat you differently. Say maybe oba ye no obi aye obi bia wani anze debi.
Jakwaku yada say.
That was
Sebusafo omo kropon akuapem. Omo number ni omo website na on we be any abetimi contact you. Thank you very much.
The other one was the local one, but I don't know and so maybe mass.
Where and so but a break.
Yes. It looks like orange, so you can eat it, or it's not sweet. Okay.
You can add it to your tea.
Ori.
But I want salad going to green.
The smaller one, no. It looks like this one.
Yes, onion. And yeah,
Anyway,
I'm sorry, forgive me, my onion.
it's very nice.
Maybe I breaks no one. I know where's the one on Munya or Moon. I don't come around for.
Odakro.
Me the people wants me go. I will take it.
Hey, John the shit.